I thought I'd shoot a quick video of what's going on here in our backyard. Here is our picnic table, totally covered in ice. That is all ice. Lived here my whole life, never seen an ice storm like this. Look at this little tree here. This one is normally standing straight up. And I'll get close, you can see all what's going on. And these branches, this branch right here is normally way above my head, where I can't even reach it. This one too. But now I can reach it pretty easily. Listen to this. Pretty brittle. So imagine if we had wind today. See if there's a hummingbird again. Again, normally this is way above my head. Here's one other cool thing with the ice is done. Look at this.